Preheat your oven at 250 degrees. For the pizza base you need 1 cup of flour and 1 tablespoon of cricket powder. Dissolve a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of yeast in 1/2 cup of warm water. Combine and knead for 5 minutes. Form a bowl and let it rise for 15 minutes. For the sauce you need 1/2 cup of passata, garlic, onion and oregano to taste. Add a teaspoon of cricket powder. Spread your dough on a greased tray. A lot of people make a mistake of putting the avocado on last when they're making a pizza. Put the avocado on first and it saves the taste and texture of the avocado and makes it really nice and tasty. Top your pizza with your favourite ingredients. And don't forget the cheese. Add some extra crunch with roasted crickets.
What do you think? Oh, that's really good.